In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for inventory management. If you're looking to get your inventory organized, streamline your processes, and maintain seamless operations, you've come to the right place. Let's dive into how you can masterfully manage your inventory using Monday.com. First, you'll need to log into your Monday.com account. Once you're in, look for the plus add button on your dashboard and select New Board. Give your new board a name that reflects its purpose, such as Inventory Management or Product Stock Tracker. You then have the option to start from scratch or utilize a pre-made inventory template from Monday.com's Template Center, which can save you some setup time. Next, it's crucial to set up your columns strategically. These will help you organize and track your inventory effectively. First, add your inventory items by clicking plus new item to include your products. For each item, ensure you fill in critical details such as the product name, current quantity, supplier information, and pricing. You can also enhance your data by adding images of the products or invoices from suppliers in the Files column. This gives you a comprehensive view of your inventory at a glance. Automation is another powerful feature on Monday.com that can save you time and the headache of manual tracking. Use Monday automations to ensure you're notified when supplies run low. For instance, set up an automation like when quantity in stock is less than reorder level, notify manager, or when stock status changes to out of stock, create a task in the orders board. These automations help you prevent stockouts and keep your supply chain flowing smoothly. You can quickly set these up by navigating to automations and selecting inventory templates. Visualizing your data is key to understanding your inventory's health. Click on Dashboard and choose New Dashboard to start. Add widgets to your dashboard, like a chart widget to view total stock by category, a numbers widget to display the total inventory value, and a table widget for quickly scanning top-selling or low-stock products. These tools provide you with a real-time overview that's easy to digest and act on. For tracking orders and restocking, you have a couple of options. You could either use sub-items within each product to keep track of restocking activities, or create a separate orders board to track supplier orders. Linking this board to your inventory board using the Connect Boards column ensures seamless updates across your system. Finally, it's important to make reviewing and updating a regular habit. Update stock levels after every sale or restock to keep your data accurate. Use filters to easily view items by supplier, category, or those with low stock. You can also set up weekly automations to remind yourself to check the inventory status and keep everything running smoothly. And that's it. By following this process, Monday.com can become an